video, let's see how to use Abacus tool. Now, let me introduce with you the Abacus tool. This is a Abacus tool. We have the frame of an Abacus tool. This is called as a middle bar. And you can see the dots here, 5 dots, where this one, the middle dot is called as a house pointer, and the rest of the dots are called as the pointers. These are the upper beats and these are the lower beats. Now let's see how to hold the Abacus tool. Now always use your left hand, small finger, that is pinky finger, ring finger and thumb. Using these 3 fingers, you have to hold your Abacus. See here, this is the way you have to hold your Abacus tool. Hold your pencil in your right hand in this way. How? See, the pencil will be you will hold your pencil in this. From the left hand, you will be using your index and the big finger. From the right hand, you will be using your thumb and the index finger. The house pointer, this is the ones place, fixing the single digit number on this middle rod, that is pointer, house pointer rod. Always hold it with your left hand and with your index and thumb zoom your tool. When you zoom your tool, all the beads get settled. Okay. Now, how to use your beads? These lower beads are 4, right? So, using your thumb, you have to make your beads up. Using your index finger, you have to make your beads down. So, see here, this is 1. Whenever a bead touches this middle bar, then the number is formed. See, if you see here, none of the beads are touching the middle bar, right? So now the value is 0. Okay. Now let's see, make a number 4. So all the 4 beads up. This is our 4. Now zoom your tool. Let's make number 5. The upper beads are all 5s, like 5, 50, 500, in this way it goes on. So to make the beads down, we have to use our index finger. So this is down. I have to make, so this is our 5. Now 8. See here, 8. Tens place, this is our 10th rod. The next left side rod is our 10th rod. Now for the 10th place, we will be using index finger, left side index finger and the big finger. So this is how we will use our index finger and make the bead up. Now here it is 1 and the value over here is 0. So this is 10. Now I'll be showing you 22. So both together 22. Let's make 45, where 4 is in the 10th place and 5 is in the 1's place. So 40 here and 5 on the 1's place rod, 45. And for 100, this is a 100's place rod. This is 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. So for 100, we will be making 100. This is our 100. 123, 123. Zoom. 485, 480 and 5. 485. I'm taking is 7 plus 2 minus 8 add 5. So it is 7 plus 2 minus 8. So I have to remove the 8 beads from here. Minus 8 add 5. So the answer is 6. Now another sum. 5 add 4 minus 7 minus 2. So 5 add 4 minus 7 minus 2. So the answer is 0. Hope you liked the video. Follow for more such information.